Hey everyone, this is Peter Moreno for the IBS Brief. Did you know that collagen is not only good for your hair, skin, and nails, but it's also great for your gut lining? So those of you who are suffering from IBS, like me, may require more collagen in your diet. The power of collagen for boosting gut health in people with IBS is undeniable. People suffering from IBS can suffer from a variety of symptoms, including abdominal pain, cramping, bloating, diarrhea, and constipation. Collagen is a vital component of the digestive system. Most people are associated with skin, protecting your skin from aging, but it's also extremely important for the lining of your gut, specifically your small and large intestines. One of the best forms of collagen can be found by a company called Casa de Santes. Casa de Santes has made a low FODMAP friendly protein powder, and they make a collagen protein peptide complex that's not only high quality, but it's also low FODMAP. There are many collagen powders out there, but a lot of them contain FODMAPs. If you're not familiar with FODMAPs, it's basically an acronym for saccharides that cannot be digested by people with IBS or IBD. So this one in particular is very good because it doesn't contain any FODMAPs. There's no added sugars, no added sugar alcohols, which are really bad for people with IBS. So if you want a quick and easy way of helping your gut repair itself, then try Casa de Santes low FODMAP collagen peptide complex. I use it, you should too.